So I just want to show you all where sometimes we want to know how cheap Panama is. Alright, so they have here in this restaurant. This is actually in the heart of Panama City. Okay. Hello, how you doing? They got desayuno, which is breakfast. So these are the things that they have for breakfast. Coffee, empanadas. They start serving all of that at meat at 6:30 a.m. And then okay, now it's lunchtime. This is the name of the place. Dana Marbella Food Zone. And then they got up just a whole bunch of different little places up in here. But let me just show you the price. This is the price of a meal here. $3.75. And then $5 and just for soup. And they got a couple of other ones over here. So just wanted to show you that. You can live affordably in Panama.